Hey guys, a very good morning to all my crypto peculiars. So, have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the Coinmonks got you covered. You can also stay crypto dated with by listening to our crypto news podcast. We've left the link for you in the description. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly go today's headlines. India's business finance biggies appear divided over crypto utility. Will Grimes accept Dogecoin payments for her next merge drop despite it being Elon Musk's personal favorite? Crypto lending firm Celsius reportedly affected in Badger DAO exploit. Here is the top meme currency as of December 4th, 2021 with a 1200% increase. So let's start off with a refresh feed. Firstly, India's alleged intention to ban private cryptocurrencies has been one of the primary sources of recent fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the digital asset market. While speculations of a comprehensive ban have been debunked by the government, authorities in the nation still aren't convinced that cryptocurrencies should be legalized. So ultimately, leading to fear, uncertainty, doubt again, I guess. That's funny as confusing it is. Anyways, let's have a look at what's getting cooked. KV Subramaniam, the government's former chief economic advisor, said in an interview with the Economic Times that the first step towards regulating would be to distinguish between crypto as an asset and crypto as a currency. He went on to explain the problems with regulating cryptocurrencies in either of those formats. According to Subramaniam, the difficulty with crypto as a currency is that it lacks a sovereign origin or support. Throughout history, currencies have always been those issued by a sovereign. The fact that the money is backed by the sovereign lends credibility to it. El Salvador, a Central American republic, is now the only country in the world to recognize Bitcoin as legal cash. Subramaniam argues that because cryptocurrencies lack an underlying asset, the fundamental volatility is extremely high, which attacks crypto's appeal as an asset class. While most cryptocurrencies have a significant level of volatility, it's worth noting that many of them, like Ethereum, are backed by and generate value from the networks they enable. Finally, The Economist stated that all financial inventions are a zero-sum game. This means that rather than contributing to the real economy, the crypto sector only moves money from one hand to another without transferring it to actual economy. Another financial heavyweight in Indian culture, Infosys CEO Nandan Nilekani, has lately expressed a more supportive attitude towards the cryptocurrency business, which he feels may help the country achieve financial inclusion. While he acknowledged that crypto assets have a place in the economy, he also stated that they must first be controlled and scrutinized more closely. They will be regulated. Earlier today, India's finance minister spoke at a conference about the need of collaboration and collaborative action in regulating cryptocurrencies, noting that governments frequently struggle to keep up with rapidly changing financial technologies. So, moving towards our next portion for today, Canadian singer-songwriter and Elon Musk's ex-girlfriend Claire Elise Boucher, or Grimes, has joined the growing number of music artists and high-profile entrepreneurs who are embracing Dogecoin as a payment option. So this is supposed to be the best thug life moment, or are these guys still friends? We're not going to talk about this. Oh shit, I shouldn't go off that topic. We'll talk about how Doge is here, and let's have a look. Grimes intends to sell her next items using the popular meme cryptocurrency Dogecoin. Tesla CEO Elon Musk appreciated Grimes's Dogecoin embrace tweet. Billy Marcus, a co-founder of Dogecoin, responded with a meme from the animated science fiction sitcom Futurama. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash will be accepted for the impending goods drop, according to the 33-year-old musician. Grimes has also experimented with NFTs as a method of producing additional money in addition to payments. She sold a collection of digital artwork and audiovisual animations for $6 million in less than 20 minutes in March of this year. Musk said in September that he and Grimes are semi-separated, but that they are still on good terms and love each other. Grimes currently resides at Musk's California home, and the two are raising their kid, XAEXII, together, according to Musk. Musk joked earlier this year that his youngster owns some Dogecoin, calling him a toddler hodler. Dogecoin has also gained backing from a slew of cryptocurrency exchanges and payment processors. Other famous organizations that have accepted it include Cuban's Dallas Mavericks, AMC Theaters, the American Cancer Society, and Newegg. So moving forward with our next coverage, the Badger DAO hack is said to have cost Celsius Network more than $50 million according to sources. Celsius, a cryptocurrency loan company, is said to have lost more than $50 million due to a flaw in the decentralized finance protocol Badger DAO. Oh man, I'm tired of using this Hackerman meme template, but I'm forced to. These guys ain't stopping anymore. According to Cointelegraph, the hack targeted the Ethereum network's protocol, netting an unconfirmed $120 million in assets. Well, that's a huge sum of money. I wonder what they are up to. Anyways, let's have a look at this present situation. The greatest reported victim of the breach, according to one Redditor, was an address that lost 896 wrapped Bitcoin because it has communicated with other addresses known to be controlled by them. The address is thought to belong to Celsius. The address routinely transacts with another address having a $67 million balance, of which $40 million is in Celsius's native coin CEL. The address is also thought to be held by Celsius since it is linked to at least one another address on Etherscan that is marked as Celsius Network Wallet 5 and shares multiple big transactions. All of evidence suggests that the address that lost 900 BTC was likely controlled by Celsius. Celsius hasn't verified anything yet, so this is just speculation for the time being. The user speculated. We don't know for sure if Celsius was harmed or not. Celsius did not immediately react to a request for comment from Cointelegraph. Earlier December saw the first complaints of Badger DAO's security issue, with the protocol publicly declaring on Wednesday that it has received several exporters of illicit withdrawals of user cash. To minimize any future losses, the Badger team proceeded to investigate the problem and halted all smart contracts on the protocol. Late November saw a significant reduction in the value of the Celsius coin. CEL fell to $3.9 on the next day after reaching $4.5 on November 25. It has subsequently recovered marginally. CEL is now trading at $4, down approximately 9% over the last 7 days, but up around 1% over the last 14 days. So, to infinity and beyond, moving towards our final portion for today morning, let's have a look at today's top meme coin and its Prince Floki. Wow, again, name's quite original, isn't it? Well, let's have a look at what it actually is and its 1200 surge in the past 24 hours. But before that, let's hear out its story, the backstory. We all should focus on character development, right? So the story is, the great Musk as the king of Doge raised a new pet, Floki. Inheriting the charm and wisdom of the great king, Prince Floki has arrived and will convince his people and lead us to the moon. Today's current Prince Floki V2 price is $1.21 E7 USD with $357,404,000 USD in 24-hour trading volume. Our Prince Floki to USD pricing is updated. In the last 24 hours, Prince Floki V2 has gained 1279% of its value. With a live market cap of available, the current coin market ranking is 3802. The circulating supply is increased and the maximum supply is depleted. Prince Floki is the next generation of the BSC revenue generating contract. Instead of tokens, you earn Doge. Prince Floki Inno is a rebase token that pays out in Doge. As a holding initiative, hold Prince Floki and earn Doge straight into your BEP20 wallet. A rebase is when the overall quantity of a token is increased or decreased across all holding pools and wallets. That is done so that the token price may be adjusted without impacting the value of anyone's coin's share. This may be advantageous since the chart will always appear healthy regardless of tips, and we can appear on top gainers sections of websites owing to the illusion of a rising price flow, making it a wonderful marketing tool in of itself. So let's have a look at its tokenomics. Doge rewards are 5%. A portion of each tax goes to the contract which buys Doge and distributes it equally to the holder. 5% of marketing. This tax guarantees that there are adequate money to support the coin in the long run and will be used to purchase tokens to support the chart if necessary. 3% liquidity locked. This is to say we will always maintain a steady liquidity pool, making your investment safer and more long-term sustainable. Development of 2%. This tax exists so that all marketing taxes may be applicable to the project and any additional expenditures can be covered with these money. So we would now wind up with the assessment for today morning and meet you all in the evening with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of Coin Monks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.